Our question is, divide 390 into the ratio 6 to 7. This means we want to split 390 into two parts. The first part represents 6 shares, and the second part represents 7 shares. The first thing we always do is add the numbers in the ratio together. 6 plus 7 equals 13. So the total of 390 is being split into 13 equal parts. Next, divide the total by the number of parts. 390 divided by 13 equals 30. This tells us that each single part is worth 30. Now multiply the value of one part by each number in the ratio. 6 times 30 gives 180. 7 times 30 gives 210. It's always a good idea to check your answer. 180 plus 210 equals 390, so we've used the whole amount. Also, 180 to 210 simplifies to 6 to 7, so our answer is correct. So the final answer is 180 and 210. Remember the three-step method. First add the parts, then divide to find one part, and finally multiply by each number in the ratio.